All right. I'm going to give you this. This is worth a couple $1 million. Remember this, okay? It's simple stuff, basically. First, what you want to do is you go to it's a page. It's called asitis.com. Okay, I just already put one in here, but go to this one as it is. Don't be looking at the other ones because it's not the same. Here is your song. Now you could use the Sanskrit if you want. Okay, I think that would be good if you just put in the words like this one and then have it being sung. You can do that through different voices. Okay. And if not, you can always actually you could use a voice record audio. What was it? 11 Labs. All right, 11 Labs. 11 Labs. And 11 Labs will sound will do the sound for you. Go to 11 Labs, and I already have an account. It's very inexpensive. I know you can afford it, so that's not a big thing. Okay, go to apps. Now, if you want to put that in there, because that's not necessary, that's not really what I wanted to say, but I thought about it as I was making this video, so it got text to speech. And then we just put in, as a matter of fact, I'll just delete the rest of this stuff here. And then you want to generate the speech. Hopefully it will
Chapter
play.
18, Conclusion, The Perfection of Renunciation. Text 7 niya tasya tu sanyasa karmano no papadyate mohat tasya paritiagas tamasa parikirtita.
You can always adjust the sound, the speed, and everything. So that's all. That's that part. So what you want to do, at least the translation and the purport. Okay, translation and the purport. Then you go to Suno, and this one is remixing. Remix lets you put your own spin on your favorite Suno songs. Okay, yes, I'm in, but I'm not going to do it. It's processing. So here in Suno, they change things around on me all the time. New features. So I'm already pro. I don't know. I'm not pro, but I want to make it sound. Create your own sounds. You see right up over here, create your own sounds. Create your own song. And I'm going to put that information in. Okay. And it says create. And during the creation sound, we'll go ahead and create. And then over here, you got all the lyrics. I got the lyrics. This is the lyrics in here. You know, paste all that in there. Okay. Now you don't have to have the Sanskrit, but then you're going to do the styles. You want to do the style, um, ambient, rap. We'll do rap since you're a rapper. Okay. And then that's it. Then you just do create. Create. Then you're going to go out. You're going to have different, you'll make it all one word. You'll put it all into one mix. Okay. Like here, this one I already did. I'll do this while we're waiting. I already published it. You can listen to it down here and start.
The mind wanders to its flickering and unsteady nature. One must certainly joy it and bring it back under the control of the self-purpose. The
All right.
nature of the mind is flickering and unsteady, but a self-realized yogi has to
See,
control the mind. The mind should not control him. One who controls the mind, and therefore the senses as well, is called Goswami.
see, see, see how that worked? Now I'm going to see the rap. It's already in there. translation. Let's hear if it plays.
Yeah, 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 yeah. From whatever and wherever the mind wanders due to its flickering and unsteady nature, one must certainly withdraw it and bring it back under the control of the self. The nature of the mind is flickering and unsteady, but a self-realized yogi has to control the mind. The mind should not control him. The mind should not control him. One who controls the mind, and therefore the senses as well, is called Goswami or Swami. And one who controlled by the mind is called God, Asa, or the servant of the senses. A Goswami knows the standard of sense happiness and transcendental sense happiness. The senses are engaged in the service of Rasaisa, or the supreme owner of the senses. Krishna serving Krishna with purified senses is called Krishna consciousness. Is the way of bringing the senses under full control. What is more, that is the highest perfection of yoga practice. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Now, nigga, if you can't make that, and if you can't make no money doing that, I don't know what is going to happen to you. Okay? That and I just did that. You just saw it happen in a matter of a couple of minutes. Didn't take me more than 5 minutes to put the whole thing together. That's how you make this done. I would suggest also that when you do it, you want to make it KRISHNA, because it sounds better when it'll say Krishna. For some reason or another, when it's just Krishna, KRSNA, so you can go in and edit it, KRISHNA. You do all the edits first. Make sure it sounds like what you want it. Can't make it no easier for you, son. If you can't make no money doing this, then God bless you. Amen. Hare Krishna and Guni Guru. Okay. It's that simple. And you can also, I think, I'm not sure if they will let you change the picture. You
From
should be able to
whatever
change
and
the
wherever
picture.
the
If you
mind
want to
wanders
change
due
the
to its
picture.
flickering and unsteady nature, one must certainly withdraw it
See,
and bring
that's the
it back
second one.
under
See,
the
it gave you
control of
two.
the self. Perfect. The nature of the mind is flickering and unsteady, but a self-realized yogi has to control the mind.
Okay? Make 100 of them. It don't get no easier than that. You don't want it to be long. You're gonna put them out there. They're gonna be shorts. You're gonna make 100 of them. You're gonna put them out there. You're gonna become an authority, and people are gonna start giving you likes. They're gonna start acting like they're going to refer. They're gonna send it to other people. They're gonna do all the things, and then on top of that, inside of whatever you're on YouTube or you're on Facebook, you're on what do you call it, TikTok, Instagram, whatever, and you always put a link to your homepage. And if you don't know how to make a homepage, then that's when we need to talk so that you can get a whole page directly. Or what you want to do is make a landing page so that it can send it to somewhere that if they want, they can look at more of your stuff. And until you figure that part out, then you can send it to places they can donate, make money, send money, or whatever. Okay? That's it. Fort Pitt. Don't quit. No shit. Love you.